the close right about now, so 3 o'clock Central. All right, so let's take a look. It was a very sleepy, non-eventful day. We went from the open to the daily 2 on NQ and ES, which is the 68% of the daily range. And then the VIX also pretty much stayed inside its daily ones. It did hit the daily 3 to the tick of the open, um, but very subdued price action considering everything that's going on. So kind of a welcome relief. Tomorrow morning is expiration, and let's take a look, and you can see that we are elevated back above the 21 mean. So by expiration, we don't want to go outside 2230. They want it to stay inside that level. So that was part of the reason they had this crushed down so much today. It cost them a ton of money to move that risk out. And once it starts moving, people will pile in and it will just take off. All right. So might see that close back below 21. I guess it just doesn't matter. They just don't want it to be above 2330. That is your magic number. All right. So I guess it won't matter if something does happen. It could, take off on its own and start, breaking all of these stops and propelling itself very quickly forward. So hopefully that's not going to be necessary. Prayers for that. And we'll see ourselves back at 21 for the close tomorrow morning. We, are holding the monthly one. So everything is copacetic. We've got a quarterly roll. I will roll my contract over uh, tomorrow. I'll be on September starting tomorrow. And get that information. We'll have a little bit of a disparity. Well, I guess I can't. I have to wait to the 20th when the options roll over. So I will stay with the options. I will stay with the lower volatility with the options because of my analysis. We can do um, a little bit of math to get you the price differential for the new contract. It's a little bit difficult when we have a roll because the options don't roll until the 20th. And that's not till Friday. And that's about it. Let's see, crude actually did get a little bit hot. Went up to 1.25 times the daily range. Right on the tick, 75.41, just right under it. And Bitcoin was the one that, they sold off to buy their gold and NQ today. So it was very much of like a trading stock today. And gold flatlined. So they had gold and NQ inside their ones. You can see this weekly one held, as well as the monthly. And that quarterly is also holding resistance. So you've got the monthly one and quarterly one kind of squeezing it. All right. So hopefully we can get uh, things working out in the Middle East. The rumors are that the leadership in Iran are fleeing to Canada. So that would be good news. Have them relocate to Canada and go on vacation or retire, right? Get some new leadership over there. I would like that. You can take the nuclear weapons off the table. All right, guys. I hope y'all have a good night and we'll see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.